How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to take a temporarily deactivate Facebook account or take a break from Facebook, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon and simply scroll down and click on settings and privacy and just select settings. So once you're inside your settings, just click on this more in account center, and once you're inside here under the account setting option, you should tap on this personal details just like this. And once inside here, you should see also option called account ownership and control. So just tap on this. So here you should see the option under the second option, that is deactivation or deletion. Just select it once more and simply find the account. If you have multiple accounts, select the account which you want to delete or deactivate, and finally you will be getting this screen where you will be getting two options, that is deactivating or deleting account. So since we are deactivating our accounts, just tap on the first option and simply click on continue. And once you click on continue, you need to keep in mind that if you have any additional pages linked to that particular account which you are going to deactivate, then that means all the pages linked to it or connected to it will also be officially deactivated. So once you keep that in mind, simply click on continue and just enter your password and click on continue once more, and just like that you should be able to easily deactivate your Facebook account just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.